cryptography is very helpful and it helps us to protect data from unauthorized access, because the data which is encrypted is not easily readable. Second thing, all in T3P technology to the point. In this quick video, we will talk about one of the important and on-demand skill set which can pay you way more what you are earning now. So the thing is, it's good if you can make your career in this domain as well. So the thing is, why it is very important now. As you know, the usage of internet is increasing, and similarly the data which is consumed by the internet is also increasing. So to protect this data, the devices and the communication between these devices need to be protected, right? So who can help us? So there is a skill, that is cybersecurity, which help us in all around. So that's why cybersecurity is a bit complex but rapidly evolving field that requires a wide range of skills and knowledge to become master. So in this quick video, I'm going to talk about some steps which you can take to learn about cybersecurity from the scratch. So if you are beginner also, you can also start. So here we will talk about step by step. So the first step is we need to start from the basic. When we are talking about the basic, what exactly we need to go through? We need to understand, or we can say we need to learn about the computer systems, and we need to also learn about the network. You can understand these are the devices. We can have multiple types of systems, and we need a network understanding as well, because the communication or the traffic, everything will go through this network only. So that's why these two are very important to when we are talking about the first step. After completing the basic part, you need to start focusing on learning common cybersecurity threats and vulnerabilities. So T for threats and V for vulnerabilities. Okay, so this includes we need to learn about the viruses, malware, phishing attacks, and other types of threats that can compromise the security of our systems. Here we need to talk about the threats which can impact our system. We need to talk about the vulnerabilities which we can find in our system, so we can remove or fix those, so we can make our environment or the infrastructure more secure. Now we need to focus more on third section, that is programming and coding. Why it is important? Because we should have the strong foundation in programming and coding, because many cybersecurity professionals have a background in computer science or related fields, and strong understanding of programming language like Python, Java, and C++ can help you to become master. Because most of the time we always go with the scenario based cases, but more sometimes we need to go much deeper to understand about the threats, about the types of attacks we are having. So it's good if you are having this programming and coding skills. If not, then try to learn at least one of them, so you can relate something. Next thing, you need to focus more on common cyber security, or we can say the security protocols and technologies. So what will come under this? In this one, we need to learn about the encryption, firewall, and authentication methods. So these things can help you to learn more precisely related to the cybersecurity domain. Next, once you are done with these all, now you want to become professional, right? So it's a better to cover everything, you start preparing for any cybersecurity certification. So there are many certifications available in the market, but the best is available CISSP, that is stands for Certified Information System Security Professional, or you can also plan CEH, that is Certified Ethical Hacker. So this certification can demonstrate your expertise in the field, may be required for certain jobs or roles. So these certification are good credential for your profile. Once you have that, you can easily get a job with some hands-on experience. And the last part, you need to focus on up-to-date information, because the thing is, the internet is evolving, data is evolving, similarly the technologies and the types of attacks also evolving. So you need to focus on the up-to-date content with the latest development in cyber security by reading industry publications, or you can attend conferences and events for that, and or you can network with the other people who's working in a similar field. So this is one up-to-date. When you are working in any technology, it's better always go through the up-to-date content, so it can help you actually. So the thing is, we have gone through the steps, and now I'm going to share some technology which can help you. Okay, so first one comes the network security. what it is. It involves like protecting computer systems, computer networks from the unauthorized access attacks or the other threats. You might want to learn about different network security technologies where I have already mentioned. So here it will come like firewalls, VPNs, virtual private networks, and the IDS systems like intrusion detection systems. Next thing, you need to focus on security protocols. So when we are talking about the security protocols, actually these protocols are the rules and the guidelines that organizations follow to ensure the security of their data and the system. So the thing is, you need to learn most common security protocols, that is SSL and TLS. SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer and TLS stands for Transport Layer Security. So these are the security protocols which are used to encrypt data which is transmitted over the internet. So these are important protocols we are having. Next thing, you can learn about the malwares. So malwares is actually a term which is used to describe any software that is specifically designed to damage, or we can say disrupt, your computer system. So it's better to learn about the different type of malwares we are having. So the viruses what we are having comes under this one, worms. You might have heard trojans as well, right? So these all comes under malwares. Next thing which we need to learn, which is cybercrime. So we need to go to through documents and the articles what types of crimes going on. So cybercrime actually refers to any criminal activity that involves the use of computer or the internet. Cryptography is very helpful and it helps us to protect data from unauthorized access, because the data which is encrypted is not easily readable. Second thing, it is encrypted through some keys that is normally kept by the sender, or it is available to the receivers only. So cryptography is one of the important mechanism in cybersecurity that help us to protect. So I hope you find this video helpful, and the thing is, to become a security expert, you likely need to have a strong foundation in computer science and information technology. If it is not, then you can go through this roadmap step by step. But keep in mind that becoming a master in cybersecurity will take time and dedication, and you might require a combination of formal education, hands-on experience, and ongoing learning and development. So it's not easy, but once you have the command on this skill set, if you become a master in this skill set, definitely your career will grow at rapidly speed, that I can assure you. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it, click on like button, share with your friends so they can also think about it. See you in the next video with more learning resources.